Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello universe. I will show you, I will flex the beautiful buildings and beautiful uh, place here in our small community guys. Look at the guys, that is Cheeky Philam Friendship and Cruz International Village guys, where we are here living here in our housing project from local government and the NGO or non-government organization guys. That's the name of our village guys, Cheeky Philam Friendship, because Philam is our sponsor is Filipino-American organization. Yan. Look at guys, what's the beauty of the Philippine flag here. Yan, I will show you guys more story about our community here. Hello guys, ito na nga. Itong Cheeky guys is Gawad Kalinga. This is the project of the local government, which people living in the creek and people rented the house, rented the rooms, are qualified to apply. Yan guys, I will show you guys. Ayan, not all people can apply here. Okay, yan, that is our buildings guys. Yan, we have 3 buildings guys. Yan, and then that is building 1 guys, that one, the color orange and yellow, and the building 2 is here, the color blue. And guys, and the other one is that one, the building 3. Okay guys, I will show you the jeepney, one of the common transportation here in the Philippines, the jeepney. Advertisement lang yun guys. Yan. And then we have here 48 families here guys. The government has an award the 48 families here, and we are lucky because I am the one who get the 1 unit here guys. Dito kami sa building 2. Yan. Yan, building 2 yan. Diyan kami sa building 2. Yan. Alam nyo guys, malaking tulong to. It's a big help for us, especially when you are staying here in Metro Manila, because if you rent the house here, it's very expensive guys. And because of this housing project, we save our money for renting the house or rooms. And yan guys, oh, yan. Yan, because we have 2 floor. First floor and second floor, that one. Yan. Okay. Thank you, government of Taguig. This is our small community that you give us a big help for saving money. And the place is very conducive for us because we are in the center of the anything. There is the, if you look at that guys, that building, that is a condominium. Walking distance lang yan guys, that one. Walking distance lang. And then this is the busy roads, the main roads of barangay here. And then there at the back of the building is the hospital, the medical city there at the back of that condominium. Yan. And the main road, the highway is there, walking distance din. The C5 highway. Yan. It's very conducive guys because there is the convenience store, all the at the back is the school, the elementary school, the high school at the back of that building. Okay, if you look at that guys, that one, the wall, that is the building of public school here. Ayan, very conducive. And the market, the wheat market, the small market is at the back also, at the back of that building. In building 1 we have the wheat market. There we call that talipapa. Talipapa, I know you know the talipapa, our Filipino friends. Talipapa is the small wheat market guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope I inspired you for saving money guys. Thank you. Please subscribe and support Tropang Pahinyo guys. Yan. Thank you. Bye.